HEIONE new camera 8 instructions. Mobile phone buckle, hand grip. Support tripod, detachable magnetic remote control. Photograph. Take a picture and zoom in. Take a picture to zoom out. Turn the page up. Turn the page to the right. Turn the page up. Scroll down. Double click like or pause. Light. Turn on the phone's Bluetooth, and press and hold the like button to turn on or off. Locate the Bluetooth name point pairing. Connect Bluetooth. Apple users need to turn on the zoom feature. Video manipulation. Turn the page to the left. Turn the page to the right. Turn the page up. Scroll down. Standalone likes, pauses or starts. Double click to tap the little red heart. Press and hold the left button to turn off the screen. Press and hold the right button to return to the main page of your phone. Photographic operation. Turn the page to the left. Turn the page to the right. Standalone likes to adjust exposure. Press the up and down keys to adjust the brightness. Standalone likes restore exposure. Click shoot. Tap recording done again. Double tap to let the camera flip. It can be equipped with a fill light. Press and hold.
अगर आपको ऐसे नए मोबाइल एक्सेसरीज और यूजफुल गैजेट्स पसंद हैं, तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करना न भूलें।